sense. It just pulls to say like.
Hello and welcome. I'm Tim, and this is SV Paquita with a update. After much to do, Bob, the man, and Sean had a little something to do with this as well, but we exactly. He's like a blister. He shows up when the work's done. Anyway, so here's some stuff that we figured out. We tried the wood. We tried the foam, we've tried the grease, we've tried everything. We didn't try the grease because they specifically say all over it, do not lubricate this. Everyone says, oh, you should lubricate it. The manufacturers say don't lubricate it, and I think it has to do with that it's going to grab salt. Don't you think that's probably it? Anyway, there's the Torlon is supposed to be made to do this. So we put this, Bob's idea was that because of this channel here, I think I showed you this on the last one, I cut out a piece of square aluminum, tapped and drilled it and put it in over here, and then we just decided to put another keeper. Would you call that a keeper? A keeper, yeah. And that actually goes through here. It doesn't. I don't think it's going to interfere with the strength of the boom at all because it's on the channel. It goes through the channel and then through the keeper piece as well. So it's sandwiched in there. So that's really good. But what we found out was we couldn't try everything we tried. We couldn't get the balls. The balls kept falling out, and every time we did it, we were getting less and less. We're running out of balls. So Bob had the idea that I thought he was crazy, but he goes, let's take the track off. We already had this off, popped the boom off, held it with a halyard, slid the whole track out, put it over, and flipped it upside down, which would be right side up. For the, this would be like this, and all the gravity would hold the balls in place. We rolled them all in, came over. And another thing that Bob figured out that I didn't know, if you cram in all the balls and get as many as you can get in there, the balls don't move.
Yeah, they stay, and then they're just going to wear flat on them.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So by removing one ball, which I say removing one ball, I think that's the way it was supposed to be.
The right amount of balls.
Right, the right amount of balls. They all run around the racetrack, the way they should. So we got it on, get it all set down there in the cockpit, brought it back here, slid it back into place, screwed it in place, got the thing all done, and I think we're good to go. So good job, Bob.
Yeah.
Way to go, man. Good job, Sean. Sean's just getting poor Bob has been doing this all morning, and we're getting rather good at it. But anyway, I told you I'd give you an update. That is an update from the good ship SV Paquita, and don't forget to check out the boys. They have a new video up over at three sheets to the wind, and so go check that out. They even actually have some girls in this video. All right, you guys take care, be safe, and as always, I'll see you on the one.